In this video, we're going to start learning about the post editor. It will be the instrument of almost everything you do in WordPress once you've got your site set up. It is very simple to use, but it is also very powerful. It's able to format text, insert objects, and more. In order to access the post editor, we will, of course, go to the dashboard. From here, click Posts and Add New. This is the post editor window. Right off the bat, you can see that we can enter a title for the post and the body of the post into a visual editor that displays approximately what our post will look like when finished. Let's go ahead and create a simple post. We'll add a title in the topmost box, and some content text in the larger box. If you click Publish, you'll see that the post we just made is now at the top of our main blog page, and creating a post is as simple as that. Now, let's go back to the post editor and look at some other options. In addition to the title and text boxes, we have some options on the right sidebar. We can change publishing settings, set the format, define our categories, add tags, and add a featured image. The publishing settings are very useful. They allow you to set the publishing status of your post, who can see the post, and when the post should be published. There are two status choices, and unless you're managing multiple users, you'll likely never need to use this setting. The choices are draft and pending review, in addition to published. The draft option would be used for someone that is in the process of writing the post. It would allow them to save the post and come back to it later without publishing it publicly. The pending review choice marks it for review by an administrator or publisher before finally being published by that administrator or publisher. The visibility setting gives you three options. Public, which makes it available to anyone and publishes it on the front page. There is also the option to stick the post to the top of the front page, useful for information posts that may warrant more visibility than other posts. For instance, if you're using WordPress for your retail establishment and you had a sale that you wanted to promote, you can make a post and sticky it so that everyone who sees your blog sees that post. You can password protect the post so that no one without the password can view it. Finally, you can make the post private, so that no one without the URL can access the page. The final publishing option is the date. By default, all posts are published immediately. With this option, you can have WordPress publish a post in the future. You may ask, why would I want to do that? If you're using WordPress as a traditional blog, you may be aware that the more content you post every day, the better off you will be. But we're all very busy people, and sometimes we don't have time to post every day. This gives us the luxury of creating several posts on a weekend or off day and have them published over the course of a week. This will keep our blog active in search engine crawls, RSS feeds, and it will give potential regular readers a reason to come back. Also, at the top of a new post, you'll see two buttons in the top of the published box. One is Save Draft, the other is Preview. The Save Draft button allows you to save the post without publishing it for later editing. The other is the Preview button. Clicking Preview opens a new window with the post as it will be seen on your main blog. Anytime you publish a post that contains image, video, or custom formatting of any sort, you should preview it to make sure everything aligns properly and that the images are the size you want them to be. The format options allow you to pre-format your post in a variety of ways. The aside format basically just removes the title from the post. This is very similar in appearance to Facebook status updates. The image format will display only an image. The first image tag used in the post will be the image used for the post. You can also use an image URL. The link format behaves much the same way the image format does. It allows you to post only a link. The title of the post is inherited from the anchor attributed to the link. A quote format allows you to post a quotation. It usually contains a block quote for holding the content, with the attribution written below. And the status format is akin to a Twitter update. It allows you to post a short message. Now, the categories box allows you to select the categories in which you want the post to reside, or create a new category for the post. The tags box allows you to input the post tags. Finally, the featured image box allows you to upload an image or select an image from your gallery that will be shown above the title of the post anywhere it's seen in your blog. We still have some things to cover, but we'll do that in the next video.